Hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4x Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so guys, just a quick disclaimer before we get started. We are not a buy or sell channel, alright? Let me repeat that. We're not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then turn into money. Alright, so if you're looking for someone that's going to tell you to buy now and sell now, you're on the wrong stream. But if you are looking to learn about these markets and trade the 4x profitable trading strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Alright, so guys, big day. NFP Friday, last trading day of the week, close of the first week of the new fiscal year, and it's NFP. Alright, so NFP is non-farm payrolls. It's the first Friday of every single month, and it's usually the biggest red news folder that comes around. Okay, so I am gonna quickly share my screen with you guys. Give me a quick second. Alright, I think we've already capped 50. I hope we have a secondary stream. If we don't, I'm sure we'll have one in no time. Alright, so this is what I'm looking at on NASDAQ and on gold. Alright, I hope you guys, can you all see my charts? Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, can you all see my charts, guys? Great, thank you, Tofufu. Okay, gold and Nasdaq. All right, so Nasdaq's tanking right now. Let them do it. This is the last 15-minute candle before NFP. Let them do what they like. 10,700. Y'all see that? That's what I'm looking at. Okay, I like the buys there. If y'all aren't listen, guys, we can have some really erratic movement during news. But that being said, it could also be an absolute dud. Okay, I'm expecting some good volume today. Let's see. All right, but if you guys don't feel comfortable getting in here, set up tiny stops here. Okay, do something of that sort and let it do its thing. Okay, let it do its thing. They're bleeding for now. Okay, so I'm not getting into any sort of trades, not before, not so close to the news red folder NFP release. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm looking at the buys at 10,700, and on gold, I'm looking at something like this. I assume we're gonna test this area again and get rejected to the downside. Okay, so let's see how this one plays out. But this position is a short position that will look something like that. Okay, and then if we get rejected from here successfully on this break of structure, we're looking to maybe test the 4-hour support, or even more, maybe the daily support. Okay, so that's if they want to go bearish. Based off of price action, they should be going bearish, as y'all can see on the higher time frames. 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection, 4 rejection, 5, maybe the 6th rejection is where we're going to get the move. Okay, so let's see what they want to do, and we'll take a call then. Alright, let's take a look at Nasty. Nasty is still pushing down. I'm gonna get to the chat in just a minute, you guys. I just need to get set up for the news release in the next 9 minutes. Stream is full again. I'm sorry, you guys. We don't have a secondary stream running. I'm sure Millzone is probably messaging Dawood right now. There you go. Alright, thank you, Dawood. Thank you, my man. Okay, so we have a second stream up and running. You guys can hop in. Alright, so I am, we had a crazy kick-ass stream yesterday. I don't know how many of y'all joined. There weren't too many people, but a couple of people, about 25, 30 of y'all, they got some birthday gifts from my side yesterday. Alright, it was pretty insane. We had a 10-minute stream, 10K in the bag, and a lot of people freaking banked on that. Alright, we had the quickest stream yet, and it was insane. Just an in and out for the news folder, and we were done there. Okay, how many of y'all caught that yesterday? Good. Alright. Okay, they're basically making the markets bleed right now. Let them do their thing. Let them do their thing. I like these buys up here. Okay. If y'all don't feel safe, listen. I know some of you guys use stops, and y'all need to realize that with stops on news, y'all may get triggered into some really, really bad spreads, and y'all don't exactly have control over that. Okay, so if y'all want to set stops, y'all could. I'm not gonna stop y'all. Y'all are taking your own trades. All trades y'all take upon yourself. We're just offering free technical and fundamental analysis for you guys on here. Okay, so this break of structure seems like a good stop area to get in on the buys. If you don't feel safe getting in somewhere at this area, but as of right now, I'm in a little teeny tiny Nasdaq buy feeler. Let's take a quick look at gold. Okay. Alright, so in case we don't get that move, we could be looking at maybe something like this on the news release. Okay, but let's see. Alright, maybe from this level, we could also have, y'all know how the liquidity grab happens, okay? So maybe from this level, we could also have a little bit of a boom, bounce, and then we sell up here. But we'll see, alright? We'll see. We've got about 5 minutes to news, you guys. Alright, let's take a quick look at the EMAs as well. Okay, looks good. Again, listen, y'all need to realize that on news, we could have a green candle go boop till there and then boom. Okay, so if y'all are fast enough and they don't break past our sell area, then yes, you'd be able to catch the sells here. Otherwise, just wait for price to go up, come back down, and try to catch the move on the downside. Okay, that's if they want to sell the market. If they want to start going long, well then we're gonna have to see what we do in that case. Okay. All right. So I like nasty looking nasty to me. All right, guys, give me a quick second. I'm just gonna be getting in with some orders real quick. Give me a second. Okay. All right, so I'm just in on two feelers. A Nasdaq. I'm in on a Nasdaq buy feeler and on a gold sell feeler. Okay, that's all I'm looking at for right now. I may trade one of these. I'm not sure. I may trade both. We'll see as it goes. Okay, and guys, listen, if this is your first NFP, how many of y'all, firstly, message on the chat, how many of y'all have attended NFP with me earlier? Or is this your first NFP? I have my orders set and ready, you guys. I've got my orders ready, so I don't really have to do too much. First NFP, okay. Listen, for everyone, red folder with Cram usually only 15 minutes. Yeah, man. Let's try to have one of those streams again, huh? Yes, I know. Listen, guys, y'all need to be a little careful because NFP can be really, really, really crazy, okay? We may respect levels, we may not respect levels, which is why it's important for y'all to know to not over leverage your accounts. For red folders like FOMC and NFP, we have really big moves that could happen. So even smaller lots are gonna do good for you guys. All right, so be mindful of that and don't go too crazy. Okay? And guys, don't counter trade the analysis, alright? If this wants to start buying, it's fine. We'll find a level after the move is done on the break, okay? But if this doesn't start to sell and it starts to push up, just don't counter trade the analysis. There's a reason that we are sitting on this side of the stream and we're marking our levels out for you guys, okay? Because we've been doing this for a really long time, okay? So don't be impulsive in these markets, because that's a recipe to disaster, okay? If it doesn't want to respect our analysis right now, it will. It will. Let it do its thing, okay? Just 1 second, I just have to quickly set up another order, and we'll be good to go, okay? Okay. Okay, and guys, listen, y'all need to realize if y'all are setting up orders, y'all may not get triggered depending on your account size and your broker. So don't be banking, don't be sort of expecting just that to happen. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. NFP can absolutely destroy your account, 100%. Okay. If we're not able to catch the move, then it's okay. We'll wait for market open and we'll get it done then. All right, there's no problem with that. Let them do what they want to. We're going to stick with the strategy and we're going to stick with the analysis. Okay, we have about 30 seconds to go, you guys. Let's have a good NFP. Let's not go too crazy, please, you guys. Y'all know how these markets can be. Let's be mindful of how we want to trade, okay? All right, 5 seconds to go. Let's have a good one, you guys. Let's make it happen. This is NFP, the first one of the year. Okay. Boom. All right, so NASDAQ is freaking bullish. Did you guys get triggered in on NASDAQ? I'm running by 10,000 on, well, 12,000 on NASDAQ, and I'm pulling out right now. I just got 12K on NASDAQ. Gold didn't do anything. My orders for gold haven't been triggered. Let's wait for that to happen. I just got 12,000 on NASDAQ. Who got that with me? 12 freaking thousand on NASDAQ. I'm sorry, you guys. This is insane. All right, this is what we freaking do here at Forex Trading, and you guys know it. You know my partner here right now, my partner, she's up by 23,000 and still freaking running. All right, take your orders, take your freaking profits and get out. Don't be greedy, all right? So insane. I've pulled out my position on NASDAQ completely. Okay, that's a dirty liquidity grab on gold. We may have gold coming in. All right, so watch out, guys. Watch out. That was the sell area. If anyone got in, well and good. I am only in on a feeler. I'm going to wait for this break and boom, I'm going to get in. And I've completely liquidated NASDAQ, okay? How many of y'all caught nasty with me? This is... That was a 150 pip move and I caught 12 grand on that move. 12 freaking thousand. All right, guys, come on. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so happy you guys caught that. Okay, let's keep an eye on gold. Let's keep an eye on gold. I'm gonna set on an alert right at this area. I also have a stop set for gold, and I have a stop set somewhere in this zone, so I'm okay for price to maybe break down, and then we'll get it. But I'm done for the day. I don't need to be trading no more. I made what I had to make. In all honesty, I've made 5x my intended profit for the day. Okay. I'm going to send my trade out to you guys real quick so y'all can take a look. Just give me a quick second. This is freaking insane, you guys. This is freaking, like, we shouldn't be allowed to rob these markets the way we do every single day. It's amazing. Okay, I'm sending out my position to you all real quick. On to the next one. Last time mine got triggered. Well, that's the thing. Ashley, I told you, right? Your chances are you're gonna, if you're on a smaller account, you may get out. You may not get triggered and you'll be skipped over. But on my account, I got triggered clean. I had a Corolla and I had a Lambo. I'm sending it out to you guys right now so you all can take a look, okay? I didn't only just have a feeler. I had a feeler, a Corolla, and a Lambo. My Corolla and my Lambo were only to get, well, they were the orders, right? Look at that. Okay, so I was in on my feeler. It ran by about 40-50 pips, and then I had the stops set for my Corolla and my Lambo at 107.20.0, as you all can see, and I took profits out at 108.01. 108.01. All right, so that's, yes sir, that's what we do here, huh? Millzone. Insane. Look at that freaking move. I love it. Gold waiting, apparently yes it is. Like I said, I'm not gonna get in on any of the buys. I'm not doing this because for me this is dirty price action. I want to wait for break of structure. All right, so I want to wait for this. Listen, me and Cash, we trade these candles for what they are. Okay, so irrespective of news, irrespective of whatever, we trade pure price action, and we use news as a catalyst to price action. All right, so for us, the buys don't make sense. For our strategy, the buys don't make sense. We're looking at sells, which is why nothing was triggered, which is why I had no orders up here. Now, if one of you guys had orders set up going both ways, you're whipsawed and you're probably in really, really bad drawdown. Okay, y'all see this? Respect that. Respect the analysis, and I promise everything will be good. You won't lose money. Beautiful. All right, so I'm done with NASDAQ. I'm not going to be trading NASDAQ no more. I could, in all honesty, call it a session right now. But I'm just going to wait for maybe some more time to see if we get a move from gold, because how many of you guys made profits? I want to know. I gave you guys a 150 pip move within practically 5-7 minutes of us starting the stream. 11, that jumped from 1 to 11 real quick. Did you see that, babe? That jumped. All right, so today I know for a fact that you people have been listening. Y'all heard what I said, y'all applied what I told y'all to do, and y'all made money. 17 people, that's a new number, and I freaking love it. Congratulations to the 20 of you that have just made money. All right, it's insane. 23, I love it. What a day today. Okay, this is beautiful. Thank you guys so much. All right, now y'all don't need to be trading no more. Okay, let's just sit down. Let's just watch. We don't need to be trading no more. Okay, let's just learn and let's pick it up. NFP, this is what I mean. NFP is crazy when it happens. Okay, and somehow every NFP is always better than the last one here at Forex Trading. Okay, so freaking insane. Only in gold now. How do we set stop loss in TP? I'm confused. Bro, just I have a video on it on Forex Academy, I'm sure, but if not, YouTube's your best friend. It's the simplest thing to do. And if you still don't get it, bring it up on our next one-on-one, and I'll break it down for you, okay? Beautiful. 26, I love seeing this number. This is such a bump up. It's insane. I love it. Okay? Big day. Yes, Ashley, big day. I forgot to leave the order open in NAS. Only in gold now, okay. What's NFP? Non-farm payrolls, American Red folder. I need a trade. I missed it. There's always going to be another trade, but we're not going to actively look for nothing now, okay? We're just going to try and learn how NFP is going to move. My spreads just got back to normal. Absolutely, absolutely. Spreads. Listen, your broker has to make money as well, right? How does your broker make money? By raising their commissions right when news releases, because they realize a lot of people are putting in orders, and when you put in orders, nothing's in your control, right? So that's what they do. That's how they make money. Made 5K today, best ever. Congratulations, B2, my man. Congratulations, man. That's great freaking news. 5K. Those are the kind of profits that me and Cash make with these sessions. So lovely, man. Congratulations. I love it. Hanko triggered you at your price. I wonder if MFF folks got a good entry. Did you guys catch a good entry? I'm on Hanko Trade right now. Did my MFF folks get triggered? Did y'all get caught in some bad spreads? I didn't really get caught. I had my position at 10. I got triggered at 20, so that's a 10 pip stop. That's a 10 pip spread, which I'm okay with. I expect that because we had a 150 pip move, so 10 pips is really nothing. Did fine with MFF? Great. So MFF was fine as well. Got in with MFF. Great, Tofufu. I hope Mr. Smokin' Lemon NFT caught some as well, Tofufu. Lovely, lovely. Okay, the Dirty had a very similar move. They're identical right now, you guys. Look at that. They're identical, okay? They're correlated today. Thanks, Cram. I'm one step closer to completing my second stage of evaluation. Congratulations. Congrats. And you're always welcome. It's what we're here for. We do this for you guys every single day, twice a day. Alright, and we're gonna make y'all clear your freaking evaluations and everything that you guys have to clear, okay? All right, guys. In all honesty, I'm probably not gonna stay till market open just because I don't want to put y'all into the habit of over trading. We'll probably wait for maybe the next 10-15 minutes for the RD swap, and we're gonna call it a session. Okay. I'm not gonna be trading market open myself. If gold gets triggered, it gets triggered. But yes, babe, I'm going to. All right. If it gets triggered, it gets triggered. But I'm not. Y'all need to know when to walk away. Right, about 25 people made money today off of one trade. Imagine y'all come, get one trade, and move out and move on with your life. That's the sort of way you'll need to look at day trading, or any sort of day trading for that matter, okay? And you guys need to make money and walk out, because if y'all sit on these charts, you're going to overtrade and then you're going to lose profits that y'all make, because I know some of y'all trade off of my sessions, and I know that you guys don't do too well off of the sessions, so watch out. Secure your profits and just enjoy them. You don't have to overtrade. Okay? Just observe. Don't be trading, please. We got the volume for today. It's done. Absolutely, babe. I agree. Yep, dirty wicks. I still do believe these sells are going to come in, maybe on the Ali swap at some point, but the sells are definitely going to come in. I've got orders triggered here. Okay? I'm actually looking at this rejection. I'm thinking of entering in to another little teeny feeder. Okay? So now I'm in on. Let me just do it. I'm in on 2 feelers for gold as of right now. One of them is in a 40 pip drawdown. Alright? But I'm in with $1, so that's $40, and I just made 10 grand, so I'm okay with being in $40 drawdown. And I'm gonna try and capitalize on this, and I'm gonna try and get in with another teeny tiny feeler. Okay. I'm in with 2 small feelers on gold. Again, this could completely go against me, and I'm fine with that. I've made what I had to for the day, and I'm only risking feelers. If anyone's getting in on the feelers with me, your stop loss is in and around this area, okay? 1844.8 based off of this structure on the left, based off of these wicks, based off of this stuff over here, okay? So if you're in, that could be your stop loss for the feelers. I'm gonna set a hard stop for myself, and just be happy. Closing gold in a small loss. I'm not closing gold. I'm not. And for us, our feelers are not considered as losses, because the idea of feelers is they're teeny tiny positions that do nothing to your account. So it could be 10 cents a pip. On my 250k account, I use about $1 a pip for a feeler, and we have people over here using 0.01 lots for feelers, which are 10 cents a pip. So 10 cents, if it goes 100 pips against you, that's a $10 loss. Alright, so it's really not too bad. And no, I'm not closing my position. Not till we maybe test out that area. Okay, Nasty is doing its thing. What a day, you guys. What a freaking way to end the week. It's insane. It's insane that we come here and we get to do this with these markets. Yeah. Okay. Lots of bullish momentum. Was late to the session and missed the move. What was the reason for our buy bias on Nasdaq or US 30? We had NFP today, big red folder, and based off of price action and market structure, the buys were to come in at the bottom lows over here, and it did exactly that. Okay, still pushing bullish. Let them do it. Let them do it, you guys. Let them do it, all right? If y'all want to be buying an overbought market, that's on y'all. I don't fall under that that category, okay? I'm not comfortable buying an overbought market after such a bullish move. They can push it. They can push it. It's all good. I'm actually going to have my stop at the 4-hour resistance. I'm going to give it some more room to breathe. All right, this area. The DXY is bleeding, you guys, which is why we're seeing this bullish movement on gold and, well, on the indices as well for now. But look at that. Look at that. They're taking it really, really, really bullish. Let them do it. Let them do it. Don't be buying the top of the mountain, okay, you guys? This would be gambling, I promise y'all. If y'all get in on this and it even goes up till the daily resistance and you make money, this is going to be gambling these markets, all right? So don't be buying the top. But again, y'all are taking your own trades, so it's up to y'all, all right? It hits my 4-hour resistance, and I have gotten out of this position. I'm done. I got triggered out. Yep, it is spiking. I'm triggered out. I'm not in on any sort of feelers anymore. I'm going to wait for price to come back into this sell area if I'm going to look for sells, and I am not looking for any sort of buys. Alright, so we can change this to just a critical level. Alright, so now we have a critical level on gold. Let's see how they want to react back in this area, okay? Maybe because of wick fill. That's what I'm thinking as well, actually. I'm thinking these orders up here are being filled. But again, I didn't want to hold for more than this over here. Okay, we're coming into some very, very clear supply up in this area. If we hold based off of these wicks, yeah, so if we hold this, we're going back to the downside. If we don't, chances are they're going to push it up, right? So we're coming into all of the supply here, 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 and now here. Okay, so Nasty is going up to have that wick fill. Maybe sell gold in this price. Well, you could if you're on a big account, and and your feelers are not if you can basically take nano lots on a big account, then yes, you can try to sell this market. Okay, oil is attempting a key area. I think we could either get rejected from here or break out of here, retest and break out. Okay, so let's see how they want to react in and around this area for oil, and then we'll take a call for any of you that is trading oil. Let's switch this up right there. Okay. It's going to take a lot to break out of here, you guys. It's going to take a lot to break out of here. Any news or why is it pumping? Well, we just had NFP. Pretty much the biggest news every month. Missed the NFP trade. Is it worth trading New York Open? I'm personally not going to be trading New York Open just because I've caught what I had to catch. But yeah, if you want to trade New York, go ahead. Okay, remember that box we drew out. Okay, there is some supply sitting in this area. Okay, so Nasty is going up for the wick fill. Nasty's filling that wick, you guys. It's filling that wick. I'm not going to be getting into any more nasty, okay? Again, super overbought. The move was done, 150 pips. We caught at least 100 out of that 150. Have you traded before? Have any questions? I never did anything like this before we started this, by the way. But I would love to learn. Just been a strong investor, holder. Never really traded. Yes, well, join our sessions, and again, Forex Academy will give you everything that you need to get set up. And if you still have any questions, you could just put it on Forex chat, and somebody from the community will help you. And of course, if you want to learn what we do here in depth, then you can join the one-on-ones. Okay, so they're still attempting to push it bullish. I don't like the buys on gold, you guys. It's not me. I'm not this guy. I'm not this trader. Okay, Nasdaq is trying. Well, my lovely wife just told me that Nasdaq's attempting to make a golden cross. Okay, if we push through with this, next stop is our daily resistance. We push through our daily resistance. Next stop, 11,400. Okay, we don't have too much going on over here in this zone. We of course do have TP sitting here and here, but if they want to push a bullish and they want to continue this momentum to the upside, where we could hit that area. Okay, let's get rid of these EMAs.
What does the golden cross indicate again?
So the golden cross is basically when, okay, so these EMAs, the 9 and the 200, the 9 EMA gives us the short-term trend, and the 200 EMA gives us the longer-term trend. All right, so basically when we're trading below either of these EMAs, we're in a downtrend, and if we're trading above the EMAs, we're in an uptrend. All right, so when the 9 crosses the 200 moving to the upside, we call that a golden cross, and we can have a potential bullish move. But the thing is, because these indicators lag, you can see that this move is probably already done, and now they're indicating that a golden cross may happen. All right, so it just happened, but look at the pips that we've already got. So some of the retail could get faked out in this area, looking at this cross that just happened, and they push it down, sort of tricking and trapping them into the buys up here. When they're not there, okay? They very well could be there, but every once in a while the retail get trapped here. So that's a golden cross, and then when the 9 crosses the 200 moving to the downside, like this, that's a death cross, all right? So it's the same thing, it's just the opposite. So we have a golden cross and we have a death cross. Oops, my bad. Okay.
Hey, got you. Thanks, Carm.
No worries. Okay, gold's doing a freaking horrible thing, and I'm gonna let it. I don't care. I don't care. Best believe all of this is gonna be filled on the way back down. All right, all of this, and it's just gonna come down with as much momentum as they took it up top. The charts you see. Thank you so much for typing that out, buddy. I was looking at the charts. I appreciate you, man. Nasty's pushing. Okay, Nasty is still bullish, you guys. Nasty is testing the high. Alright, guys, again, I'm not going to stay too long. I'm going to call it a stream, and I'm not going to stay for market open. Y'all have a level on gold for market open. Alright, so what I want y'all to do is I want y'all to go on to your trading view, open up OANDA, open up the XAU USD OANDA chart, and mark up this critical level. Alright, 1840.5. Okay, go ahead and mark up 1840.5, and y'all will have maybe a market open move right here. Okay, guys, I want to take a look. I want y'all to take a look at the freaking DXY. It's insane. Are you guys looking at this? The DXY is just making the dollar freaking drop. Okay.
That's probably why USD CAD looks very similar to DXY. It's all just
But that's the
moving
thing.
to
We
the
also
left.
no we also had some red folders for CAD come out, so I wasn't really looking at that because I was concentrating on NFP. But that's probably the outcome of the red folders. That just came out with CAD.
Oh,
It came
okay.
out at the same time as NFP.
Okay, okay. I understand. Thanks, Karan.
No worries. Okay, so Nasdaq's pushing up, you guys. Look at that. Classic. Sandy, are you on the stream, my man? You remember what we went through today? If you are on the stream, you should be seeing this. Alright, guys, we covered all of this on our one-on-ones, okay? I had a great, in detail, very advanced session with Sandy 11 today, and we broke down the language that these candles speak and how, based off of price action on a naked chart, this is all we need to trade. Okay, and this is all we need to understand our buys and sells. It's just trend lines and a naked chart with these candles. It was a lovely session, man. But we went over this today. We went over the channels and classic break with a classic entry to the downside based off of the trend line. Lovely. Okay, they're testing that key level. Nasty still pushing? Yes, Nasty still pushing. Nasty's probably going to go hit TP at our daily resistance, you guys. Okay. Alright, let me take a quick look at gold again. Alright, so we have a new Ali candle that's gonna open up in the next 6 minutes. Alright, Ali candle. Okay, so I'm willing to bring this maybe somewhere here, but again, we want the new Ali candle to close within our box. Alright, you guys understand what that means? If y'all don't, go on the Forex Academy and look at the entries and exits video, okay? This trade will only and only be triggered if we come in our box, close down in this area, have a retest, have a rejection, and then push to the downside, okay? So let's see. We have a new Ali that's going to open up in 5 minutes. This is the last 5-minute candle. Yep, I think a burner Android works perfectly. We have people that are making 5K a day over here, so trust me, $100 investment on a burner Android is gonna pay its dividends. Okay. Oil testing. Okay, that's a key level, you guys. It's a key level on oil. Let's see how price wants to react in and around this area. We've got some clean support there. Okay. All right, and same story on oil. Okay. If this impulse wants to hold, close, and retest and push, then this trade would be a good one. Okay. Let's see if they want to hold it. Let's get a TP on oil. Alright, but if it doesn't close here, we could start looking at some short positions from here down to the support right there. Okay, you'll have your answer on how this candle closes. Okay, but so far I'm liking this. Is anyone trading oil right now? Is anyone trading oil? Look at oil. Alright, there is, listen, based off a previous structure, these are sells. Okay, so don't be getting in on anything that's not an impulse. My bias is more towards the The sells just based off of how many times we've been rejected in and around this zone, okay? I'm not looking at any sort of oil buys, not at this minute. Okay, let's take a look at gold. Okay, just creating new higher highs. Nothing too fancy, just non-volumized candles. Okay, let's see what the new Ali wants to bring in, alright? Can't find oil on MetaTrader. It should be called US oil. Okay, impulse. Maybe we get it to this downside. Thank you guys, thank you all so much. Just so I understand, use one phone for the stream, one phone for MetaTrader, and say PC for charts if you want it. What I'd recommend y'all to do for the setup is have your chart open on your PC, have Discord open on another tab on your PC. You could either watch the stream or listen to my stream as long as you've charted the instrument that you want to trade, and then you can trade off of your phone or your PC, whatever your setup's like. Freaking gold, man, it's being dirty. It gave me my feelers hit about 180 in loss because of this trap Dutch shit over here. But 180 in comparison to about 12k is nothing. It's nothing to me. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for price action, and I'm gonna respect the strategy to get in on the sells, you guys. Pretty hard to believe it myself, getting better with the lot sizes. I love it, man. For real. Congratulations, B2, my man. You know, I love the fact that we have so many people from the one-on-ones, from the personal mentorship program that have actually started to make some serious money. It's ridiculous. Sandy has grown his account, and not just Sandy. I'm not sure if Barney is here as well, but both Sandy and Barney, they've grown their accounts by about 700-800x in the past 2 months. It's crazy. It's freaking crazy. I'm not gonna throw out numbers to y'all because it's their personal it's their personal accounts, but trust me when I say this, what they are doing is freaking commendable. Also, granted, they are more advanced traders than most of the people on here, but it's a strategy. You respect the strategy, you learn to make money off of the sessions, and you will become a better trader, and you will make your money. It's crazy to see the progress of the people on the one-on-ones. You guys, congratulations. I couldn't be happier for y'all. And I kept telling y'all in December that Jan's gonna be just as quick in comparison as to how slow December was, right? So it's turning out to be just that. You know, it's a crazy time. All right, so the sells on oil are coming in, okay? All right, the sells may be coming in on oil. Let's see if we want to break that. Cheers, Sandy. Cheers, my man. Okay, if anyone's getting in on oil, wait for the impulse and only get in on anything bigger than an impulse after we have the close within our box, okay? I like the sells on oil. I'm not going to be looking at Nasdaq no more, you guys. I'm done with Nasdaq. Alright, I feel like the move on Nasdaq is done. Maybe we get something from market open, maybe we don't. We'll find out. It looks like they want to hold oil until market open, okay? So if that's the case, maybe they want to go up to the daily resistance. And if they do go up to the daily resistance, my sells or my zones are going to move as well, okay? Because based off of price action, you all know that we need to start selling. We don't need to be buying this market, okay? So even if we don't stay for market open, you guys, you'll have some nice levels. If y'all don't want it here, just have you guys marked up this critical level on gold? Please message on the chat and let me know that y'all have marked up this critical level on gold, because I don't want you guys to be buying the market when y'all shouldn't. All right, just one person's marked this level on gold. It's gonna piss me off if I see people on forex chat saying that we bought gold and it shot down, so we lost money. I'm giving you guys straight up. I'm giving you guys a setup, irrespective of whether the session is on or isn't. Okay, 1840.500. Watch for price to come into this level, and the market is gonna shot like there's no tomorrow. Okay, good, good. Cram watches forex chat even while he's sleeping. The truth is, Millzone messages me about everything that happens. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, me and Cash, we definitely take a look at it at least once a day, and we make sure that all the questions are answered and just all of that good stuff. Because in case some questions aren't answered, then either me or Cash, we step in and we answer them. Millzone, my man. Okay. Oil. What plans do you guys have for the weekend? What are y'all doing? Y'all spending time with family? Are y'all partying? Are y'all traveling? What's the scene for the weekend, you guys? Uma, are you gonna do some Korean?
No, sadly no. actually, actually, apart from laundry, I am meeting up with some school friends. We've got a sport
Lovely.
evening, which will be nice.
Lovely. Sounds good. Have a great weekend, Uma, and all of you guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Gonna watch ice hockey.
How was your
Lovely.
birthday, Cam?
It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. We had some family over earlier, and then me and Cash had a nice romantic set dinner last night, and it was a lot of fun. And we even streamed last night. We actually got on for like 10-12 minutes. I'm not sure if you were on the stream or not, but we made some big money last night in 10 minutes, and then me and Cash went out for dinner and went on with my birthday. But it was a lot of fun. Thank you for asking, Uma.
1K per minute.
Yep. That's exactly what Cash told me. That's exactly what Cash told me. She was like, you literally went on, you made 1K per minute for 10 minutes, and you gave yourself a birthday gift. And I was like, yes, ma'am, I did. Like, it was fun. It was great. And guys, we're gonna.
Get a nice steak yesterday.
Did I get a nice what?
Steak.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We did get some really fancy steak. That's actually what we went out for. Some nice steak and wine. And Cash loves her wine. So yeah, we were out and we had a really good time.
Awesome.
Gold moving? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right, gold's starting to give us that little bit of a rejection. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna start with Forex finally. Welcome. Welcome. Just go through Forex Academy over the weekend. There's not too much. It's not going to take you more than it's probably not going to take more than 30 or 40 minutes of your time. Just go through it and you'll be up and ready to get started on Monday. Okay, and guys, from Monday we're back with the regular schedule. Okay, so what I mean by that is we're doing 2 sessions a day. We're going to be doing the London Market Open, we're going to be doing the New York Market Open, and we're going to be doing it 5 days a week, every single trading day. All right, so the holidays are done, everything's done. It's time to take this to the next level, and it's time to give you guys as much as we possibly can. Okay, so we're gonna best believe we're going crazy from now. Okay.
Sorry, oil.
Oh, look at that. We caught some nice support over there, and it's going bullish. Okay, good. Let them take it bullish. Y'all have a TP. All right, so if anyone's getting in on this, I didn't get in either way. For me, this impulse, I wasn't too, my bias wasn't towards the buys, but we never got an impulse here, so I didn't get in on the sell. So I'm not in any position on oil. Did anyone get in on oil?
No, I missed it.
Okay, this could still be a good time for the impulse, all right? This could still be a good time for the impulse. And Goldie, look at this, okay? We're coming into a straight up trend line here. Y'all can see the buyers starting to get exhausted based off of all of these wicks that y'all are looking at, okay? So I'm gonna now maybe get in on a teeny tiny feeler. Again, this move is probably gonna come for market open, but I'm gonna try it, alright? So I'm gonna get in on a tiny feeler for gold. Okay. Nasdaq falling too? Yep, expected. After that heavy move. Yes, sir. After that heavy move, everything's falling. Okay, TP on oil, by the way, you guys. TP on oil. I don't think any of y'all caught that, but nice little trade right there, okay? Nasty? Huh? Recaps? Okay. So Cash is asking me to do the trade recaps. Give me a quick second, you guys. Beautiful Nasty for a beautiful 174 pips. 174. Okay, tanking. Oil. 60 pips. Gold, nothing's triggered. We're in gold right now. We didn't have any gold buys. Cash is so much into Nasdaq, she was like, didn't you have gold buys? And I was like, no, we didn't have any gold buys. Cram, TP on gold sell 50% of the last big bullish candle. No, man. I do believe if this starts to fall now, we're gonna hit this critical level, and then this is what's important. I think we can. Again, half this candle is gonna be this wick, so yeah, definitely some traffic over here. But if we start to pull through from here, I do believe we come to test this critical level. And again, man, the sells had to come in for NFP. It did, all right? So for me, all of this is actually the liquidity grab. Because whenever we break down from here, I promise you, this market is going to test our daily support, okay? It's going to break all of this and test it. But we need to build the momentum in order to get down, right? So what I would suggest is just get in on feelers till we hit our critical level. All right, so even that way, if they want to manipulate this market more and test the highs again, then they can do that. All right, but try to get in on feelers till down here, and then maybe when we break this, that's when you want to get in on anything that's not a feeler. All right, buddy?
1840.
1840.5. 1840.5 right here. Okay, so we had a break, we had a retest. All right, are we getting rejected off of the retest? Yes, we're respecting the trend line. Okay, let's see. Y'all need to realize that gold right now is super manipulated, okay? So they could do that, they could do that, they could do that, they could do whatever they want because it's being super, it's just not respecting levels, okay? I do believe the drop down here would also coincide with the 50 midpoint crossover to the downside. So I think that could work out well in our favor. Okay, we are getting some rejection. Alright, you guys, so I'm in on a feeler, and on this rejection I got in on a Corolla. My Corolla is going to have a break-even stop loss now because my Corolla is running by about 10 pips. Alright, so I'm in on two positions right now. Impulse and Corolla on the rejection, okay? I'm not seeing the momentum that I'd like right now. In a Corolla from the top of gold, I love it, man. Make sure you're on a break-even stop, okay? I actually sold the top. Beautiful, beautiful. This is Mill Zone, listening to what me and Cash have to say. Beautiful. This is what you guys need to do. Look at previous structure, right? We have previous structure right here. So this was a beautiful sell-off point. The reason I didn't have these sells up here was because I wanted to be safer for you guys, because we have a lot of new people that are coming on here and I don't want them to be getting caught in anything because their money management is probably not going to be on point, okay? But I'm so proud of you, my man. Congratulations, all right? Hold on to that guy and ride it to the critical level, and when we break this, that's when you want to get in on anything bigger. Gotta love Austin Powers, man. Okay, they're coming down, they're coming down, they're coming down. Give us some momentum. So my feeler is up by about my feeler is up by about 10 12 pips at this point, and we're pushing. Boom. Okay. I just got in on a Lambo. I'm gonna change it to break even. My Lambo is up by about 5 pips. Alright? Give me a quick second. I need to change this to break even, you guys. Okay, I'm now in a risk-free trade with one Corolla and one Lambo. My Corolla is at about 1,000, between 800 and 1,000. It's ranging, and my Lambo is up by about 4 to 5 pips. So that's $400 to $500. Okay. All right, still ranging, and I'm on a break-even stop loss. So in case it wants to hit my entry point, I will get out of this trade, and I have no regrets. All right, because I'm conserving my capital, and I'm not risking what I don't want to be risking. Okay, you guys? It's really close to my BE stop loss. Alright, I may get triggered out of this trade. Okay, still in. I'm up by a pip. Alright, I'm triggered out. I got triggered out of my Corolla, of my Lambo, right? That was my Lambo entry. I got triggered out of it. No problem. I'm not gonna FOMO into anything. I'm gonna see how the sales come in, but I'm still on my Lambo, and it's up by about 7-8 pips. My Corolla, I'm still on my Corolla, and I'm up by about 7-8 pips. Okay, my Corolla is probably gonna hit its break there. I'm out of my Corolla as well. Okay, so this trade didn't work out for me, but I didn't lose anything, so I'm good. I'm just gonna watch this and monitor this to the downside, and then maybe get in on anything. Okay, but did y'all see what I just did here, you guys? Did y'all see how I let my break-even stops not get the better of me, right? Because this is a manipulated market right now, and even though we know the overall momentum of this market is to the, well, they're showing it's to the upside, but the truth is it's going to go bearish, all right? And looking at that overall momentum, I was still conserving my capital, all right? 10 pips, 15 pips, whatever it is, have a break-even stop so that you're in a risk-free trade. That's the lesson of the day, and I just did it live for you guys so that y'all have a better idea, okay? Okay, so I guarantee on market open we're probably going to have this move. Yeah. If y'all don't feel comfortable getting in on this, you guys, you have the critical level right there. You're 40.5, okay? 1840.500. That's a beautiful level for you guys to be getting in on. Millzone, have a break-even stop loss with your Corolla, okay? Don't take out profits off of that thing. Just have a break-even stop on it. Okay, try to ride that momentum to the downside. And if it hits your break-even stop loss, it's fine. Good. Good. Okay, trail it. Okay, but I do need y'all to realize, even if we want to go bearish, there is a chance that we're going to do something like this, okay? Looking at what, for now they're respecting the trend line, but if they fail to respect this trend line and they go above it again, then we're looking to test that resistance right there. Alright, what do you guys think? Do you all want us to stay for market open, or should we call it a session? I'm gonna leave it in your hands today. Do y'all want me and Cash to stay for market open? Stay for a bit, please. Yes, please. Okay, sounds good. We'll do the next 15 minutes for you guys. Okay.
Sounds good. Probably market open and the next 5 minute candle or something.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Okay. Still respecting the trend line, alright? If we throw on this trend line again, we're looking at that. Okay, still respecting the trend line, so that's a good sign to me. Okay, some bearish momentum stepping in. Look at that, we're getting the retrace on Nasty. I'm sure we're getting it on the Dirty as well. The Dirty and Nasty are, they look like the same chart today. Yep. Okay, listen, I'm personally not trading Nasty, which is why I'm not giving y'all levels. It's pretty straightforward, right? The sells are going to come in at the 4-hour right there. Okay, we've got some yeah, we've got some demand sitting right above the 4-hour resistance. I wouldn't recommend it because they could even go back to test the daily resistance, so I wouldn't recommend getting in on these shots. But for you guys that are trading zone to zone successfully, go ahead, knock yourselves out. I made my target, which is why I'm not looking at this. I'm more interested in getting in on the trade that hasn't played out as yet. Okay, so as of right now, I'm just in on a feeler, that same feeler that I didn't get stopped out of. Should I get in on a Corolla, babe? No?
You made what you had to make.
Okay. But I like the rejections. I'm getting in on a Corolla. Okay, so I'm getting in on a little teeny tiny position again, you guys. I'm liking the momentum that's stepping in. No Lambo as yet. I'm in on a new Corolla, and I'm running by about 3-4 pips at this point. Cram is over trading? Yes.
Awesome.
Yes. No,
Awesome how you're asking Cash for permission to trade.
it's the way it is, man. Because if I get off the session and I've overtraded, the next hour of my life's gonna be horrible, right? So I might as well get it done right in the beginning. Okay, so we're trying to break, and my Corolla is running. My Corolla is running by about 10 pips at this point, 10 pips. Okay, it's pushing. All right, so I'm up by about 500 on my Corolla. I got in with a 50, which is a 5. And I didn't take any Lambo trades. I'm just going to try to write this down, okay? So I'm up by about 800 on my Corolla now. Okay, did anyone get in on gold with me? Is anyone in on gold? Anyone riding this momentum to the downside?
Yes, sir.
Good. Great, all right? Take out some profits, okay? The ones that know the entry-exit strategy, pull out 10 pips if y'all got in with your Lambos, all right? Please be careful. Y'all saw what gold's been. There you go. That's it. Give it to us. Okay, guys, I'm in. All right, impulsive decision, but I'm in and I'm running. Okay,
Isn't that
breathing. Huh?
tell Mil to take out his profit? He's been in that.
Yeah. Cash is saying mill zone, watch out for your profits, take some partials out because you should be up by quite a bit. My first NFP? I hope it was a good one, buddy. Okay, I'm riding gold. I'm freaking riding gold. I'm up by over 1,000 on gold. Okay, about 1,200 on gold now. It's giving it to us, guys. Wait, I didn't hit it yet. Don't, bro. Trail it. If you don't want to take out partials, trail it, no problem. Have it somewhere in this area, the entry, okay? Trail it down to that. Okay, I'm up by about 900, 1,000 now. The reason we're getting stopped over here is because of this wick, okay? We've clearly built some support based off of that wick. Are we gonna break it? We're gonna have to find out in the next about 7 minutes. I'm running risk-free trades today, you guys, so I've got no stress even if this goes against me because I did what I had to with Nasdaq. All right, so I'm completely okay running in risk-free trades today. Let it touch the wick and then remove the partials
This
out and let
is
the feeler
feeling
run.
to them.
Yeah, that's definitely TP1 for sure. That's definitely TP1. But the thing is, we break past this, we're gonna test that. We break past that, we're gonna hit our critical level. We break past our critical level, we're coming down to our daily support. So,
God, you're overtrading.
oh fuck, look at that. Right, so I'm up by about 1500 on this right now. 1500. Okay, looking good to me, you guys.
I went out at 800.
That's good. 800's beautiful, man. Good profit, exactly, right? Good profit. And we were waiting on this move to happen. So that's good profit. Book it. If you're leaving a little partial running, that will work as well. But if not, just book it. It's all good. Okay, now I'm ranging in the 1000 and 1100 range.
My feeler is on $30.
Good. That's 30 pips on a feeler, man. That's beautiful. B2, you're on fire today, man. You're on fire. I love it. Beautiful. Congratulations. Don't be overtrading though, okay? You've made what you've had to make, and don't be overtrading. Okay, and now it's in about the 800 range, my Corolla. Again, I'm gonna have this on BE, so I'm not worried about it. I'm okay. It's in about the 500 range now. Okay, 400. They're reversing it back. Okay, still around the same 400-500 mark. Let's see what they want to do. When B2 streams. Love it. Okay, also guys, market open in the next 5 minutes, okay? Market open in 5 minutes. B2, don't be trading market open, buddy. Just don't do it. Alright? It's not going to be worth it. You've made what you've made. Just be happy, okay? Okay, so clearly they've picked up support from this previous structure. Alright, you'll see this. Oops, my bad. They've picked up support from that structure. B2, a nice success, a long success story should be coming our way at Forex, okay?
26 success stories today.
Okay, I think I got triggered out of my Corolla, you guys. Oh no, I'm up by half a pip. Half a pip? Come on, don't trigger me out. Don't trigger me out. Okay. Alright, I'm up by about 10. Okay, I got triggered out. I got triggered out. Ah, gold is being an asshole today. I gotta go. Thanks for the session today. Have a lovely weekend. Have a good weekend, Uma. Take it easy, and we'll see you soon. Okay, I got triggered out. I'm not complaining. I'm fine. Did you guys pull out profits from gold? Did you all pull out profits? That's good. Let's look at the Dow. Okay,
They
just
all do the same move.
Let's get a whole number. 33130. Okay. I like this wick though. Okay. We could maybe look at this level. It's a nice clean break of structure level for market open. Alright, and we could have the shots maybe to there and then there. Okay, again, I've just blind-eyed this, you guys. Let me just make sure of everything. Okay. Classic. Yep, okay, looks good. Again, same story with the dirty. I'm not going to be looking for any sort of buys, just like I'm not looking for any buys on nasty, alright? So, if they don't want to give us the sells, I'm not going to take any trades. But if they give us the sells, I'm going to get in on this. I'm not looking at Nasdaq. You guys shouldn't either. Gold doesn't want to give it to us. Gold's not being nice today. How the fuck do I get rid of that? How do I get rid of that? Sorry, I've never used this. There. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna look at Dow. We're gonna look at the Dow or dirty or US 30, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna be looking at this for market open, alright? And we have market open in about the next minute. Just try to stay disciplined, minimize losses the other days, and make small gains. The big days complement them very nicely. Yes. Being disciplined is everything. Respecting the strategy is everything, though. It's as long as you do that, you're gonna have a reason as to why you're making money in these markets, and then you won't be gambling these markets. Because it gets really easy to just think you're seeing volume and then hit buy and sell. It gets easier to do that, but that's not gonna leave you consistently profitable. So yes, stick with the strategy and be disciplined. All right. So for now,
30 seconds.
30 seconds to go, exactly. Let's watch, you guys. Let's watch, alright? We may get a move, we may not get a move. I don't know, I don't care. We'll wait for 5 minutes after market open and we're going to call it a session, okay? Alright. Okay. Market open in 5 seconds. Okay, nothing so far. Okay, there you go. We're getting in. We're getting in. Let's see. Let's see if they want to give it to us. I wouldn't mind testing this out with a tiny feeler again, you guys. Okay, I'm in on a feeler. Let's see if they want to give it to us. Okay, not yet. It's a dud, alright, so market open shitty. Nothing happening on market open. Did Nasty do something? Alright, so Nasty is pushing down. What did gold do? Nothing. Gold's horrible right now, look at this. Y'all don't want to be trading this, okay? Okay, so the dirty is definitely trying. I'm just watching it on my MetaTrader right now. Definitely trying. Okay. Looks good, you guys. Looks good, alright? But we just need enough volume to break down. Please, guys, have this level marked up, okay? I can't be more clear about this on gold. Please, I don't want y'all to miss on this. This could happen in the next 6 hours, or it could happen on Monday before we have the session, but this will happen, okay? So watch out for that level. Come on, give it to us. NFP was brilliant, right? And market open such a dud. This is crazy. Okay, come on, try. They're trying, guys. They're definitely trying. Yeah, the volume is dying. It has died out after NFT. I just said NFT. Millzone, you should be happy. It's died out after NFP. Okay, they could go up till there. They could go up till there. Maybe make a little bit of a double bottom and then push down. But double top, my bad. But for now, it's just indecision. Okay. That's the PWL effect on me and Cash. We call NFP NFT. Lovely. You did the unthinkable, Millzone. Okay, again, we're gonna wait another 2 minutes, you guys, and y'all have this level. Okay, stick with it and try to catch the move in case it does happen. I'll also update you guys on the forex chat in case it does happen. But for now, they want to continue to manipulate this, so they could. They can do all they want. Okay, guys, I don't know how I didn't notice this, but I'm just looking at it now and I spotted it on my MetaTrader. You know why we're dancing around this area? Anyone on the chat? Do y'all know why we're not breaking past or below this easily? Anyone? Thank you. Sandy, my man. Sandy's absolutely right. This, I just noticed this. I should have noticed this earlier. But this is the psychological 1850. Alright? If you all remember, 1850 was where our cells were at day before. Right? We're testing 1850, the psychological 1850 again. Which is why we're seeing this sort of ugly traffic going on within this area. Okay? So we need to successfully reject the 1850 to push down. So, that being said, chances are we could actually retest the 1850. 30 is pushing up? Okay, so the 30 is pushing up, you guys. Ali's pushing up as well? Okay, okay. Alright, so the dirty is not giving us the sells right now. Okay, they're testing the top. Still testing the top. Cram, what time frames do you have the 200 on? Well, I have them on all time frames, but I mainly just check them on the 15 and on the 5. Okay, guys, they're not giving us the bearish move, and we're not going to be part of this manipulation, alright? Straight up, we're not buying... Yep, we're not buying this market, okay? How many of y'all feel comfortable buying this market right now? Do y'all look at the RSI? Do y'all see how overbought we are? Nope, right? Exactly. Ashley is 100% right. We're gonna wait for this market to make its move to the downside, and we're not gonna buy this crap, okay? Because this is pure manipulation. These markets, they need to naturally be doing... Yeah, it's pushing, alright? These markets need to naturally be within these bands. Every now and then they go overbought and they go oversold, okay? But we are not the retail traders, so we aren't gonna fall in this trap. Alright, fuck, I don't know how to delete that, man. Good lord, I'm just gonna get rid of the...
Top left side, you see the crosshair?
Oh, on the toolbar?
Yep, yeah, click on the crosshair.
Wait, give me a
Above.
second.
On top.
Uh-huh,
First one.
uh-huh.
Yep, and then just go ahead and select the line.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, man. You guys know TradingView more than I do at this point. Alright, makes sense.
It's all good. It's all good.
Yo, Dawood, we need to fix this, man. We need to get this fixed up, right? I'll tell you the issue we're having after this call, okay?
Okay, so
I'll text you and let's get the split screen fixed up for everyone.
let's do it, man. Let's do it.
Yep. Okay, guys, nothing. All right, so let's give you guys.
Cells for lunch, maybe? No?
Nasty is trying.
Yep, nasty. Where are the cells gonna be for nasty? they're gonna be on the break of this structure. I look at how it's gonna fill this. It's gonna fill this this move that happened up here. Okay, so the cells, the safer cells, are gonna be are gonna be on the break of either one this area or the daily support. Okay, but look at them tanking. Is gold coming down? Okay,
Yes.
all right. So gold's trying to as well, and the dirty maybe is gonna try and come down as well. Okay, so y'all have your levels. 1840.5 on gold. All right. Does someone want to maybe type this out? Babe, do you want to do it for me? Okay, Cash is going to do it, all right? So the gold cells are at 1840.500. Okay? And the nasty cells, I'm not going to give you guys nasty cells. Fuck that, all right? The let's get a better area. Let's get maybe 20. This is good, all right? So the dirty cells are at 33,124.85, or if you just want to round that up, you could get it up to 33,125. Okay? So you'll have got two sell positions. Fuck, look at NASDAQ. Look at that. Gold's just being pathetic. Thank you for that, babe. Okay. Looks like they want to get triggered, you guys. I'm gonna wait for another minute or two, and okay, they're down. They're coming down. All right. Let this candle close. There's about a minute left to go. There's about a minute left. Let's see if they want to close in our area and trigger this trade, or if they just want to. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you freaking go. Come on, give it to us. Give it to us. Beautiful double bottom at this point. Alright, this just shouldn't wick back up, because if it wicks up, it's going to be an issue. 35 seconds. Let's see. Just want to know those using other brokers. Do you have to see the prices at your own broker with candles and stuff, or just use... Oh no bro, you have to use candles, because every broker is going to have a different number. Okay, guys, while I was just saying that, I got in on a Lambo. Okay. And my Lambo is running at 1200, 1000. Okay, I'm changing this to stop loss real quick, to break even real quick, you guys. Okay, I got stopped out at break even on this one. Horrible, horrible. I've been stopped out at break even quite a few times today, but I may enter in again. I'm in again. All right. Running by about 10 pips. 10 pips, you guys. Okay, did anyone get in with me on the dirty again? Is anyone in with me? Good, okay. Good. Have your stop loss at break even, alright? Have your stop loss at break even.
Gold is trying to...
Finally, finally, finally. Alright, I like this, you guys. I like this. This rejection looks good to me. As long as we hold true to this, we're still in this, okay? But we need to hold true to this. They could maybe go up to test half that candle as well, but I wouldn't be holding this not till there, okay? So let's see. We need some momentum to break past that 50. We could get it. Yep, there's no volume. There's no volume right now. Because all of the volume got exhausted by NFP. Okay, this is definitely going to push down as well. What did oil end up doing? Oil hit TP on our buy, and it's now testing our sell. Okay, so this would be the impulse on the oil sell in case anyone's trading it. I know we have a couple of people here that trade oil. Sandy, Uma, Joel. I know a couple of people trade oil. Okay, so watch out for that level. All right, so the dirty is still respecting. I like the respect that it's showing to our resistance. I'm still holding on to this. I'm up by about... Boom, there you go. There you go. All right, guys, we're getting the move. I'm up by about 2,500 and counting. Okay, beautiful. Now we're getting the fall. Who's freaking catching that with me? Finally. Finally. All right, guys, I'm up by 6,000 on the dirty. 6,000 on the freaking dirty. Who's with me? Who's with me, you guys? We're going down to hit TP. Perfect. 7,000 on the dirty. Gold also waterfall. Damn it, but I'm looking at the dirty, man. Freaking hell. Okay, cool. If you guys are trading gold, trade gold. I'm up by 7 grand on the dirty. I'm up by 8 grand now. Babe, this is insane. I'm up by way too much today. This is not good. Yep, I'm pulling out my position, alright, guys, because I am up. Okay, so I'm closing my position at a 6,100. Or no, fuck, it's still going up. Okay, I'm pulling it out at 7,000. Okay, 6,300. That's what I pulled out. 6,300. And I'm out.
I think we should be.
Completely liquidated. Who caught dirty, you guys? Who caught dirty?
And gold.
React to that.
I caught it.
Beautiful. What if finally gave it to us? Finally gave it to us. Insane. Insane.
And gold.
2.3k.
Beautiful, man. 2.3k. That's lovely. I'm gonna send out this position to you guys as well, just so that you all know what I did with this. Okay, give me a second. Okay. I'm out, guys. Thank you for today. No problem, you guys. Great session. Okay, so that was my position, and they are all tanking. All the cells are coming in. Look at that, the potential sell area on Nasty, you guys. This is the sell on Nasty. Look at the dirty. We could have caught some more, but I'm up, alright? Gold also coming. Everything's coming, alright? So I caught about 12 grand on Nasdaq, and I caught about... Guys, I don't want to be saying this, but from the past month, I've been trading my individual account, and I haven't been trading my funded account. All right, my fund is just sitting there because I've been working on a new money management strategy for my funded account, okay? And these profits, I am successfully building on my individual account, okay? We have goals, me and my wife, we have goals to be trading in the M's by the end of this year, all right? We want money that's rolled in the millions by the end of this year, okay? I'm not going to give you guys a number. The ones that know it, they know it, but this is what we're working towards. This is what our goal is, okay? So these days have been crazy, all right? And I feel like Hanko Trade's lucky for us or something, because we're having some crazy moves since the time we got on with Hanko. And
Nasty was the move.
Nasty, yeah, Nasty is coming down, all right? So let's
That was the breaker structure.
look at that. Look at the dirty, babe. If I held this, I would have been up like 50,
It's
another
okay.
15 grand. Yeah. I'm being a little greedy today, you guys. Not typical of me. Crazy day today in my first NFP. Yes, sir. Listen, it's always crazy here, okay? It always is crazy here at Forex Trading. All right, so guys, listen. What we want from y'all is just some success stories and some posts on Twitter, okay? We do this for you guys every single day. We have people making 5 grand. We have people making 10 grand. We have people doing some crazy, crazy stuff on our streams. All we ask for is some success stories, because we're giving this to you guys for free, all right? It's not just the success stories anymore, okay? Go on to Twitter, you guys. Do this for us. Do this for me. Do this for Cash. Do this for Milzone. Do this for Dawood. Do it for Forex, you guys. We without fail come here and give you guys these sessions, and all we ask for in return is just some posts and some success stories, so that we have some more eyes to what we're so that we can get some more eyes to what we're doing here, okay? So please, guys, I was live even on my birthday. All right, I came on before we went out, and I gave you guys a really crazy move, and that's when I went out. All right, so the least that y'all can do for us is just throw on some success stories and some profits on Twitter, okay? That being said, have a great weekend, you guys. Let's just do a quick recap. You're the real goat, Cram. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you. Okay, so another quick recap on gold. We finally caught a 69 pip move.
Gold sell.
Yep, gold sell. Nasdaq, you wrote down Nasdaq, right?
120 pips.
On,
Could you repeat that?
okay, the Nasdaq buy. The Nasdaq buy was at 177 pips. Okay, and the the dirty sell was at 180 pips, you guys. 180 pips. This move was 180 freaking pip move. Cram gonna hate me for the money management truce. We'll work it out, man. Don't worry. Are you in profits
No,
now?
just look at my screenshot above.
That's fucking insane, buddy.
positions.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Post this on success stories with the losses on as well. Okay, don't remove those. I want the whole picture because I don't want people thinking that. Listen, me and Cash have been doing this for a really long time, right? But I don't want people thinking that the members are just posting profits. Post your losses as well. Your profits outweigh your losses like there's no tomorrow. All right, so go ahead and please do that for me, okay? We caught
Sure.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. So we caught this move as well. This is a 190 pip move on the dirty, by the way. All right. Oil, babe. Did you get oil?
No.
Oil's running in the cells right now, by the way. 57 pips on the oil buy. What a freaking way to end this week.
Oil buy 57.
Yep, and oil sell. You guys think we're gonna hit TP? I do. All right. Oil sell. We're gonna catch about 50 pips on the oil sell. All right, guys. So I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. Today was an insane day. NFP does its magic again, and us at Forex are here to make y'all bank upon that magic. All right. So thank y'all so much. Have a great, great, great weekend. We're gonna catch y'all on Monday for the London Market Open. And guys, from Monday onwards, we're going to be doing 2 sessions a day. We're getting back to work in full force. A lot of new additions coming in, a lot of new announcements for you guys. We're going to be back in full force, okay? So have a good weekend. We love you guys. Thank y'all so much. Everything we do is for you guys on here. I'm Cram. My partner's Cash. Signing out.
Have a good day, Barrow.
Thank you, buddy. Have a good weekend, you guys. Bye-bye. Catch y'all on Monday.